Hello guys, welcome back to 4x4 Maniacal. Today I'm going to talk in this video about top 5 best safety glasses that you should buy. Let's get started. To begin with is the Dewalt Tpg 941C denominator safety glasses. Nothing is as bad as getting injured as you work. The best safety glasses are designed to keep you comfortable and ensure you suffer no injuries. They keep hazards as far as possible from your body's most delicate part, your eyes. Whether you're working in welding, construction, or simply enjoy hobbies that pose a threat to your eyes, it's vital to protect them. Dewalt is known for its popular power tools and does not disappoint us with these safety glasses. The glasses have rubber-tipped temples for a non-slip, comfortable fit. The integrated nose piece allows you to wear them for long periods without experiencing discomfort. Up next is the Pyramix Fortress safety glasses. The Pyramix Fortress safety glasses have several features that significantly enhance their comfort level. We love that they are stylish. We love the fact that they are lightweight and feature a stylish, sporty design, one of the coolest on the market. They fit most face shapes well because they match the contours of the user's face. This feature also allows them to offer enhanced protection to your eyes. You will also like the adjustable nose pad that enhances your comfort. The straight back temple arms feature rubber-coated tips for increased comfort and grip. The slightly larger lenses provide all-round protection from debris and impact. The lenses are vented and permit air to easily flow. They work together with the nose piece to ensure the glasses do not fog up. Third up is the NoCrack over glasses safety glasses. While NoCrack is a relatively new company, its safety glasses have taken the market by storm. A good example is this pair of overglasses that are designed to fit over prescription glasses. They can fit over most reading glasses, and the best part is that they are a lot cheaper than prescription safety goggles. The glasses are made of tough polycarbonate and have side shields and adjustable arms. They are designed for construction, woodworking, dentistry, shooting, and even scientific experiments. Their design ensures that they offer the right amount of protection from direct and peripheral threats. Moving along, here we have the Dewalt Tpg 5511C anti-fog safety glasses. If you're looking for clear safety goggles with anti-fog lenses, we highly recommend this pair made by Dewalt. They are a durable and reliable option and are specially designed to provide a lot of coverage to your eye region. They feature adjustable ratcheting rubber-tipped temples for superior comfort and protection. You can wear them for long periods without feeling uncomfortable. These are great protective glasses for different activities. Their thick and rugged frame gives them a long lifespan. You can wear them every day from morning to evening and they won't cause optical discomfort. Their lenses are made of tough polycarbonate and are highly resistant to impact. To end with, here we have the Megid Y50AFC safety glasses with side protection. The Megid safety glasses boast an ergonomic design and maximize your vision's freedom. They also protect your eyes from dangers in all directions. Their side shields will protect your eyes from side hazards. Their transparent design also makes for better peripheral vision. We love their classic design that is stylish but still complies with worker safety standards. These glasses will make you look good as they protect your eyes. They feature a flexible and lightweight frame with a low base curve. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this product, check the video description.